Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I guess not many people liked my day in the life of electrician number 4 video, so you're just going to get an after video of me talking about what I did at work. So anyways, what I did yesterday was this, piping into this FCU. As you can see, that pipe is crooked, but I went ahead and chopped off the last 90 because my boss, like I said, wanted it flexed in because of vibrations and stuff like that. So I went ahead and straightened up that pipe, chopped that end off, flexed in there, pulled the wire back in, and then made that up, brown to black, red to orange, and ground to ground. And that is straight, it's just optical illusion. And then from there, as you can see, the rest of this FCU is not hooked up to anything for air conditioning or venting or anything like that. So all the electrical is done, but everybody else has to still do their job. I did leave off the breaker and I left off the disconnect switch up there just in case. On the other end of that pipe is this box right here, which came out of our shutdown before, which you will see. Temporarily wrote down on this cover with wet erase marker, with like one arm above the ceiling in an awkward position, so it looks extra bad. But there is the caulk job that I did on the wall before, with the flex coming out of the wall down into that panel. And then after I finished that, making that up, closing that back up, I went ahead and headed downstairs where we had our 12 a.m. shutdown before, if you remember this room. Went on over to this left panel with the green breaker, went ahead and shut down the normal power for our new hospital upgrade with my little baby lock right there in a tree, just in case anyone else wanted to use it or something that I was unaware of, just to be extra safe. So I went ahead and finished up this panel that I was working on like last week or something. I forget at this point, but I didn't put these feeders in, they were already there, but I went ahead and did everything else, pulled in the wire, and then made up the rest. Yes, I know it's not perfect. Yes, I can clearly see that the numbers are not perfectly straight, but it is what it is. For one of like the only 3, 4, or 5 THHN panels that I've ever done in my life, I think it turned out pretty decently. I did cut off that zip tie out of the bottom right, but turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Someone commented on YouTube that said it looked like an apprentice panel, and if an apprentice did that, I'd be pretty happy about it. So not even gonna be mad about that because I was halfway finished and I changed a whole bunch of things. But I'm not mad. After that, went ahead and got set up for tomorrow's project, which is going to be, once again, going back to this room and cutting in some receptacles for TV on the outside. And then I don't even know what these receptacles are going to be used for in the inside. Circuit 50. Yes, I got confused because I thought that 50 was for the height of the receptacle, but that's actually the circuit. So I'm going to be cutting in one receptacle in the middle, 2 datas on the outside, a receptacle down low. So 2 receptacles in this room, 2 datas in this room, and then the TV and the data outside. But that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one. If you got anything to comment, drop it down below. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you in the next one. Peace.